Do you feel shy speaking English? Do simple words come to your mind, but full sentences do not? Then this video will change that. Today, you will learn 100 powerful beginner English sentences through real-life conversations. Not boring memorization, not grammar stress. Just simple English you can start using today. Stay till the end, because I will also give you a speaking challenge. Let's begin. Part 1. Morning Routine Story. Sentences 120. Scene. A young man wakes up and starts his day. Conversation plus sentences. Good morning. I am awake now. I feel great today. What time is it? It is 7 o'clock. I need to get up. I am brushing my teeth. I am washing my face. I am getting ready. I am wearing my clothes. Where are my shoes? I found them. I am hungry. I need breakfast. Tea is ready. This smells good. I am eating now. I am ready to go. Have a nice day. See you later. Quick teaching breakdown. Use I am plus verbing for actions now. Examples. I am eating. I am getting ready. I am going. Repeat after me. Part 2. Going outside. 2140. Scene, street or bus stop, market. Where are you going? I am going to work. I am going to school. Wait for me. Let's go together. The bus is coming. Hurry up. We are late. Please sit here. Thank you so much. You are welcome. How was your day? It was good. It was busy. I am tired. Take care. Drive safely. Call me later. I will call you. Goodbye. Part 3, Shopping Story, 4160. Scene, store conversation. Excuse me. Can you help me? I need this item. Where is it? It is over there. How much is this? It is $10. That is expensive. Do you have cheaper one? Yes, we do. I like this one. I will take it. Can I pay by card? Yes, you can. Here is your receipt. Thank you. Have a nice day. Come again. See you soon. Bye. Mini teaching break. Power sentence patterns. Can you help me? Can I pay by card? Do you have? I will take it. Use these daily. Part 4. Friends and daily talk. Scene. Two friends meet in park. Hello, my friend. Nice to see you. How are you? I am fine. I am doing well. What are you doing? I am walking. I am relaxing. Are you free today? Yes, I am free. Let's have coffee. Sounds great. Tell me more. Really? That is amazing. I understand. I agree with you. Maybe later. No problem. See you tomorrow. Part 5. Home and night routine. Scene, back home, evening. I am home now. I need some rest. Today was long. I learned a lot. I am cooking dinner. Dinner is ready. Let's eat together. This tastes good. I am happy today. Thank you for everything. I need to study. I am reading now. I am sleepy. It is time to sleep. Turn off the light. Good night. Sleep well. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow will be better. Keep learning English. Final speaking challenge. Now pause the video and speak these 5 sentences loudly. I am ready to go. Can you help me? I will take it. Nice to see you. Tomorrow will be better. If you can speak these clearly, you are improving already. English is not difficult. You only need daily practice. 1 sentence every day becomes confidence. If you want part 2 with 100 more real-life sentences, Subscribe now and comment. Part 2. See you in the next lesson.